Welcome back to another video, guys. It's your boy Tony. We're doing another match video. It's my second match. It's gonna be with Rival Defense again. Shout out to my boy Jay. They're really fun. I'm not gonna lie, y'all need to sign up. But like I said, second match, guys. I will be running the 19X again. And to be more in depth on the build, I do have the Tyrant extended mag release on here. I'm not sure you guys can really see that, but yeah, extended mag release from Tyrant. Suppressor height or optic height, Trijicon night sights. So you can see, you know, everybody has to have the optic height sights, you know, if you have an optic, cause bro, you know, what if the optic die on you, twin? You gotta use the iron sights. But yeah, I do plan on upgrading the slide release to probably Tyrant as well. I did get one that was from Glock store. I didn't really like it, so I ended up putting it on my 19C for the FRT build, so that's on that. And so whenever, you know, the bread comes, I mean, I don't think they're that expensive, but I'm gonna upgrade to the Tyrant for sure. And then other than that, guys, I have the TLR HLX, which, you know, that's not really doing anything to the performance. But yeah, the Radiant Ramjet, you guys know that. Love it. Big difference. Really helps me out. Gives me more confidence in these matches, not gonna lie. But yeah, let's see how we do in this second match. Because last match, 17th place, twin. So we're gonna see how we do. So hopefully my mag holster don't fall this time, bro. That was kind of embarrassing. But low-key, it had to happen, twin. It happens to the best of us. But let's head over there.
Any questions? Any other questions? No? Alright, cool. Let's have fun tonight. Starting with squad one. Load and make ready. Shooter ready. Stand by. Next day, keep your head up. You know what I'm saying? It happens.
Bro, I literally have a brain fart at the end of the shoot.
Right side clear. Right clear.
No human being, just the artist you love. Never miss your favorite artist, because finding the perfect seat has never been easy. Ticket, go. Only on there.
When everyone's talking about the episode you haven't seen,
Stand by.
just ask Google for a plan.
I don't know, man. I think I did buns again, but we got 2 more stages to go.
Stand by.
I missed all my shots.
Sure.
Thank you.
Put that shit back before I mess you up.
Sorry, I cussed on video. You have to bleep that out.
We do all that.
Oh, you do? Okay. Alright, range is clear, range is hot! Shooter, are you ready? Stand by! Clear, hammer down, and holster. Range clear! 3188.
Bro, record this.
Oh my god.
Did I load that in wrong?
Looks like
And I didn't even. Alright. Good thing I reloaded right before.
Tap rack bang. Are you through?
Uh,
You're fucking kicking my ass tonight.
You think so?
Yeah, bro, you're like doubling my hit factor.
Oh shit.
Stand by!
the best shooter I know. He's the reason right there.
Last stage. Did shitty. Last three. We're gonna see if we redeem ourselves right here.
Shooter ready! Stand by!
I think I did alright, but I don't know. What do you think?
Personally,
I think you shot great.
Alright, thank you.
What do we think, guys?
Great shoot, hell yeah.
Oh, he shot the baby.
Oh, I shot the baby. Damn.
With 2 alpha.
We're out here committing war crimes, man. Alright guys, it's a couple days after my second match, and honestly, I feel like I did shittier. Let me know what you guys think, since you guys also watched my first match video. If you guys didn't, go ahead and watch that. But I feel like I did shitty, even though I did come in 12th place this time. But I'll go ahead and put up the results right here. And yeah, 12th place. I guess it's better than 17th like my first match. But honestly, I do feel like I did more shitty. But you guys let me know. Once again, shout out to Jay from Rival Defense. If you guys, I'm going to put up his Instagram right here. On his Instagram, you'll find his website so you guys can join these matches as well. Hopefully one of these matches, I do see one of you guys there. And, you know, we get to chop it up. You know, it's cool meeting you guys. And, yeah, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. You know, it's a little different than the FRT stuff. But I want to, you know, I have fun with this content because I'm actually training myself to get better, sharpening myself with my aim and like my movement and everything. But yeah, catch you guys in the next one. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and deuces.
talk game, we don't fuck around. When them shots go off, they start ducking down. That Micro Draco knocked him off of his feet. And the track out G trying to take a soul. When he hit the ground, we gon' shoot at the floor. If you don't know